Hello everyone, I'm Alex Wu from IP Video Intercom Division. Today I would like to introduce you the basic functions and features of our SIP IP intercom system. On the display board, it is the standard product of our SIP IP intercom system. The 10-inch indoor monitor, the 7-inch indoor monitor. There is also a binocular face recognition outdoor station. The first feature of our SIP Video Intercom System is that the equipment is plug and play. No need to do additional configuration. For example, for the actual project application, a router assigns IP addresses to the devices. The switch groups the three devices into a network. It can be very convenient for project site when it is under installation and debugging process. We do not need to do any complicated configuration on devices. For small community network setting, it can be the first choice for creating system networking by using plug-and-play wiring. The second feature, it supports local intercom plus cloud intercom. The local intercom is a SIP point-to-point call. The cloud intercom is based on the operation that the indoor monitor calls the cloud through SIP server. That is the way of dual SIP call. To achieve our local intercom and cloud intercom function, our SIP IP intercom system supports to monitor IP camera directly without using any gateway. The current design is that you can add a RTSP streaming device directly. Add RTSP stream device here. For example, after inputting the RTSP stream address, you can turn to the monitoring interface to monitor RTSP streaming devices. We can monitor the IP camera directly without using the gateway, using standard RTSP protocol to monitor our IP camera. The fourth feature is our SIP Video Intercom System supports this kind of large community networking system. For small villa networking, we prefer to this kind of point-to-point plug-and-play method. For large community networking, we need to download the address book to configure the system devices. To create this kind of building type or community type networking for large-scale video intercom system. The fifth feature of our SIP IP intercom system is that it supports standard SIP protocol. The full set of equipments all adopt SIP 2.0 protocol. It can support standard RTP, RTSP, DTMF protocols. The system devices can be interconnected with standard LINPhone, PJ, SIP and other equipment. Our sixth feature is the system supports point-to-point SIP intercom. It also supports SIP intercom based on SIP server. The system uses point-to-point to make the call based on local LAN. If you make the call remotely, the SIP IP system will use the SIP server mode to transmit the data. The seventh feature is that our whole SIP IP intercom system adopts address book management for device management, frequent contact list, blacklist or whitelist, and you can configure the IP address of each device. Subnet mask gateway and other information. It is similar to the way we add contacts to manage our communication devices. This feature can be facilitates the configuration of our system. I introduced the basic use of SIP IP intercom system. First, from the small community networking process, our equipment grouped together through the switch, and with a router to assign each device an IP address. This makes it easier for us to choose auto discovery mode by default. This device will discover other types of equipment. For example, the outdoor station. It will detect the 7-inch outdoor station. It will find the 10-inch outdoor station. It will automatically put the discovered devices in the address book. We can click on it directly to call our corresponding device. This is a basic function of our SIP intercom system. Auto discovery, plug and play mode. Let's talk about the process of using our cloud intercom. The cloud intercom also requires Wi-Fi networking on the indoor monitor. Ensure that the indoor monitor can access the internet. And then you scan the QR code to bind the indoor unit from the app. Then when the outdoor station make the call to the indoor monitor, it will be forwarded to the bound app. You can see the process of calling the cloud intercom. When calling the indoor monitor, it will be diverted to the mobile phone app. The mobile app can answer and unlock the door. At the same time, the mobile app can also do some extra functions. For example, releasing the Face ID to the outdoor station to achieve face recognition, or releasing the IC card remotely to achieve the functionality of access control. This is our 8-inch binocular outdoor station. It has face recognition and card unlocking function. This is our standard 7-inch indoor monitor. This one has the 1024x600 HD resolution screen. This is our 10-inch indoor monitor. It is also the 1024x600 IPS HD screen. The above is the basic use process of our SIP IP intercom system. Of course, this is for our small community networking mode. automatic discovery and plug-and-play usage. For our large community networking, it needs the professional configuration tools to configure it before using them. Thank you everyone.